Hey, this is my setup. I got a Wolfbox 900 G900 rear view dashcam mirror. This is one of my favorites out there. I did a 3D custom mount print bracket, but they actually sell one now, so you don't have to use the rubber bands over your original mirror. What you end up doing is just remove the whole mirror and then just mounting this one on there, so it's more sturdy, clean, more OEM. I also got a Fix-It cam here, Fix-X, whatever. I'll post the link there. It's very low profile, looks OEM. I originally got that before I put this one on. Technically, I don't need that, but hey, I already have it installed. I got wireless Apple CarPlay, and that's amazing. I also got this mount here. This is where I normally have my phone. And then I have this VOONOA 4-channel screen. This records, and you have 4 channels, so you can put in 4 different cameras. I got one that's facing the back of the passenger seat. I normally have a baby car seat right there, so I can see my kid pretty well. That I just mounted temporarily on the back. I'm probably gonna be moving it somewhere else. I don't know yet. Maybe I'll move it to the front. I don't go wheeling, but it'd be pretty cool to see what it looks like under the car while I'm driving. I had this option, but the resolution's really bad. This is anytime front cams, really bad quality, but it helps me park. And then you can see the back here. All right, and then I got one on the left, one on the right, and I'll show you where I have those cameras. But the pretty neat thing about this is, let's say if I was changing lanes, I'm gonna change left. Oh, I gotta hit accessory. All right, so I'm gonna change lanes, and you can see that it switches the camera. This is to the right. The punching bag is where my blind spot is. So, if there's a car coming in where that Amazon box is, I can see it from here. Be kind of difficult, but here it has a pretty good view. Same thing here if I went right. So yeah, and then let's say if I choose to set on one of these, and I change, it'll pop up the camera that I set the trigger to. This has a lot of other settings: left, right, front, rear. I'll show you what the cameras look like. Some of these, the aspect ratio is a little bit off depending on how you have it, on here. But you can get everything on here, or you can have different splits. I normally just have just the one here. If you want to change it, you could just go like that. So this also helps with parking, so you can see where your wheels are. I just normally have my kid on here, and then if not, turn it off. All right, so I'm gonna show what the cameras look like. That's the camera right there. The VOONOA comes with 4 cameras, and they're usually this size. I use the Wolfbox. I have it mounted on the outside. I might mount it actually on the inside. I might mount it on the outside later. But you get 2 of these and 2 other big ones. So I'll show you what those look like. So here's the side cameras I got. It comes with some really long wires. Also got some 5 meters, and also comes with these larger ones too. These are infrareds. If you have an RV or trailer, you can mount it like this to the side and get really good view. But this isn't gonna fit on my side view mirror, so I opted to get the smaller ones for a cleaner OEM look. So it's basically just like the MTM setup on the 4Runner that you can get OEM. The only thing is it does, you know, stick down. It's not very noticeable. You can hardly even tell. But, you know, if you decide that, hey, you know, I actually don't like it anymore, I mounted it to this plastic panel where the puddle light is on. So this right here, you can actually take it off and it's okay. I drilled a hole straight through here, ran the wire up, down, through I guess the door. Came out here, got to pull this off, and then I ran it, and then I actually ran it through the housing here, and then everything is just under the passenger seat. So that's what it looks like. There's a couple other cameras. I know that this one was compatible. It's a 1080p. There's two types of cameras. I'll post the link for the correct one. And the anytime camera is right here. The angle of this one is a little bit better, but you know, the quality of it on the OEM screen is not that great. So this right here is 4K resolution. Cameras are 1080p. For the ones that I installed on the side, they look great. You know, it's pretty helpful for changing lanes. The other thing is that it just records. Even if you don't want to use it as a trigger wire to change lanes, you can use it just to record. So if someone sideswipes you, you got that on camera. Yeah, post everything in the link. Thanks for checking out the video.